Hi guys, what's up? This is KS for After Effects tutorial channel, and now time to learn Element 3D, another very exciting tutorial. And now let's start. Okay, create a new project and create a new composition. Name it Element 3D and select HD and change the time 10 seconds. Create a new solid, name it 3D and go to Effects, Video Copilot, Element. Now, Element 3D is divided in multi-parts. So, like what? The most important thing you must know about groups. It means we have 5 groups. You can create 5 different models, 3D models, and there is the scene setup. You can create the 3D titles. You can create the 3D logos, maybe flat logo. Like what? Like this. This is 3D title. Click here. Just After Effects. Ctrl A, change the title, bold or different title. This one is good. Now you want to create a 3D. You must select 3D plugin and go to custom layers. We have 2A. If you want to create a 3D text, you must open custom text and mask and select your title and go to scene setup, and now just press extrude. There is your title. Go to presets, bevels, physicals, select one of them and zoom in. There is a scale from Z, and there is your group. The title is in group 1, and your 3D text is divided in 3 layers. This is the black layer, golden layer, and white layer. Select the black layer, go back to materials, physical, there is a chrome, apply on it. And you can change the reflection environment. Go back to environment, click here, and there is different environment. And now, if you create another 3D model, you must select. There is motion design, abstract, arrows. Select one of these. Your 3D text and abstract strings in one group. It means you can control both in one group. If you want to control the 3D title in group 1 and you want to control the abstract strings in another group, just select drop down and go to change the second group, and you can apply the bright light material on this and press OK. Turn off your title layer and right click, create a new camera, select 24, press OK. And now go back to 3D, close this one. Now you have 2 groups. Open the group 1 particle look for change the model size. Open group 2 particle look, change particle size of strings. Select camera control. Now you can make animation between these two groups. Go to animation, select the group 1, enable animation engine, group 1, change to this. You can turn off, close. You can go to render setting, there is glow, turn on, and there is radius, and camera control. And now go back to scene setup. You can close this one. You can create another effect or 3D model. There is rings. There is a lot of 3D models package. Jet strike. Select one of these. Select this one. Press OK. And drop down. Select the second group and press OK. This is jet, and now you can control the jet by go to group 2, particle look, move the jet down. Okay, if you want to control the 3D model's lights, close the group 2 and go back to render setting, close the glow and go to lighting, select the cinema lighting like this. You can change the lighting position by going to additional lighting. There is rotation. You can change again the environment background by going to environment folder and select this one. Press OK. And now you can change your title. Turn on, double click right here, element 3D and true. Turn off this layer again, and now you can change your title materials by going to presets, select your title and go to Bevels, Physical, there double click, press OK, and now there is a jet strike with 3D title, element 3D. You can change the lighting 360 like this, and you can go to group 2. There is animation setting about jet strike, and there is landing gear like this. Okay. go back to Element 3D Scene Setup. Select a different environment for being the bright reflection. Like what? Like this. Press OK. Like this. And now select a different lighting. Press it. Which is really good. Stylize 360, and there you can change the lighting direction. Okay guys, this one was about part 1 Element 3D. Don't forget, the part 2 is coming soon.